Hey guys, growing up, I had so many good memories of eating at the old spaghetti factory. Well, say hello to the Saskatoon location on Idlewild Drive. As soon as you walk in, you notice the open concept with the traditional decor. The staff is so friendly and so welcoming. They've also got a fully stocked bar to make your favorite drinks. And they've got tons of space for large groups. The coolest part about this location is the spiral staircase that leads you upstairs to some additional seating. Alright, let's check out the menu. Let's keep in mind that they have a happy hour from 2 to 5 daily. They've got so many options and choices in the menu, and we decided to go with the It's All Included. You get so much value for such a reasonable price, including table bread. That garlic butter is everything. So Taylor and I decided to go with the lemonade because it looks so good. I went with your traditional and Taylor went with the raspberry. Of course, I tried hers out as well. The all-included option gives you your choice of soup or salad. I went with the salad and Taylor went with the soup. Entree-wise, we went with the fettuccine chicken alfredo and we went with the seafood linguine marinara. I also tried the chicken parmigiana and the penne with chicken as well. Both delicious. Another great part is that they include dessert. You need to try the spumoni ice cream. To cap off your amazing meal experience, they give you your choice of coffee or tea. Cheers, everybody. We even took home some of their signature bread. Check out the caption below for a sweet giveaway. Stop by the old spaghetti factory today. You won't leave hungry.